Nagsimula sa simpleng mapasulyap-sulyap, nagpapapansin sa'yo. Umabot sa palitan ng mga mensahe, kilig na kilig ako. Kumusta? Kain na? Hello, magandang umaga. Ingat ka, pahinga, huwag kang masyadong magpupuyat pa. Naramdaman ang puso na dahan-dahan ako nahuhulog sa'yo. Sa kada araw natin na pag-uusap, meron ang namumuo. Hindi ko na alam kung ano ang patutunguhan. Ang hiling ko lang naman na itong naramdaman. Biglang katahimikan, wala namang matandaan na nasabi lang kasakaling ika'y aking nasaktan. Bigla
Hello.
Electric fan daw. Napakaangas mo to ng aking kaibigan. Baho niya. Okay. Let's go. All right. First five. Okay, shake hands, shake hands. Para good game, well played. Oh, wait lang daw. Ah, sige, go. Tataranta din ako eh. Okay, go. Tapping on my jersey number 31 to 10 and 2 points. The jersey number 26 to nakaapin ang unang puntos.
Shoutout sa'yo, Boss Kenji.
Boss Kenji, shoutout daw sa'yo. Ganda daw lang iyong kwintas. 23. Pass of 22. To 23. Natapik and intercept. Enter jersey number 8 setting on the player and there's is still there. The 22 with a side step. Ganda. Harden moves. All two. Yes. Pinalaki na. At yan po. To 26. Ortiz. Cesar Ortiz. Tumira with a pull-up jump. And 2 points and score natin for the first quarter. Yan ang 4-2. Pass to the jersey number 22. Up to the side. 10 seconds to shoot. Tumira with the perimeter with a pull-up J, but no good. Tapping and fighting for the rebound. Number 5. 8 seconds to shoot. 22. With the pull-up J. No goal. Rebound by Pascual. To the cut. Ortiz, the jersey number 26. 26. And there's a foul committed by jersey number 22. First personal foul and first team foul for the first quarter of the game. Time remaining 8 minutes and 38 seconds to play. Oh! Another turnover for the DPR. And jersey number 7. Pascual, dino-double team. Pinasa ilalim. Medyo malakas. Hindi pa nag-iinit. Wala pa yung ibang team ng gaap. Wala pa yung mga lodi ko. Binabati ko nga pala si SK Ashley. Ang tagal daw pumasok. There's a traveling violation call. Yan. Another turnover yun para sa DPR. And a pass break. 31. And a same ball to the Kaap. You have a 22 seconds to play. Dali! Tingnan mo, guys. And there's a foul, pushing foul, foul number 9. Yes, Dizo. And we have 2 shots. Ortiz, jersey number 26, with a stepping on the line to the free throw with the first throw. No good. And to the second throw to Ortiz. Yes, Ortiz to the second throw. No good again. Kagawa ng rebound. Nakuha ni jersey number 21. Pinasa. And same ball again. Last touch for jersey number 10. 7 Pascual. No good for the pull-up J. And a follow-up by jersey number 31. 6-2 ang ating score, mga kaibigan. 23, Miranda. Pass to number 5. Number 5. Setting on the play back to 22. Tumira sa 3. God bless. And 26, Ortiz. Ortiz nagbababa ng bola. Ortiz. Pass to 31. 2 points. Macho by Sting. Sponsor ba yun? Timeout. 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 BPR. Time remaining 7 minutes and 29 seconds to play. Yung mga bata, labas muna daw po sa court. Ashley, patay mo daw yung Bluetooth mo. Tapon mo yung cellphone mo. Talaga pag naka-iPhone. Okay, let's back to the ball game. Kwento mo sa pagong. Number 8, De Guzman. De Guzman setting for the play. Number 31. And a 3 points. Batcherman. Gatorade. Nice one. 2 minutes at rest ang sagot. No good. Fighting for the rebound. Ka-up the rebound ng Kamok. And there's a foul. Foul jersey number 23. Yes, first personal foul. 13 foul. Number 8, De Guzman setting on the play. Oy! Medyo malakas yung pasa. Wala, dapat siya dito eh. Lumuluhod eh. Oy! There's a foul committed by jersey number 26. Ortiz. First personal foul with jersey number 26. And first team foul for a ka-up. So with a pull-up J. And 2 points. Grabe naman yun. Catch and shoot. Number 8. No good. Fighting for the rebound. Rebound by 23. Pass to 22. 22. Up. There's a line violation call. (19) 7 to Pascual. Setting on the play. Pass to 19. Full to Mira. And a 3 points. Battle by Hungarian Overload. Kung ayaw nyo ng Hungarian, meron tayong Shomai Overload. Diba? Oh, and lucky, 10 pesos eh. 7, Pascual on the run. With a pass back to number 8, De Guzman. What a move by De Guzman. Parang hindi tumatanda eh, no? Para mga dito 26 na suot lang eh. So, score natin 16-04. Ang score for the first quarter of the game. 2 minutes at rest. And no good. Time remaining 5 minutes and 35 seconds to play for the first quarter of the game. No good and layup na 26. In a pass break to number 10. To number 9. 2 points with a layup. 19. Tumira. Whoa, on the glass with the 3 points again with the ka-up. Grabe. Oh, yung gano'n. Oh, number 5. 5 seconds to shoot. Tumira. No good. Rebound by Ortiz. And a pass back to De Guzman. De Guzman setting on the play. Guzman. Wala. Number 10. No good. Fighting for the rebound. Nakuha ng half. Pass to 7. Ang lakas. Substitution. Sige po, sub. Pasok. Sino po number 7? Number 8. Pasok po si jersey number 12. Sige po, 30. Pasok na po. Ganun po talaga. Meron mga bagay na naka-taste yun. Parang puti ka, pumuti. At least may naiba man lang. Out of bounds. Kaya po kasi na ulo ng mga tao na yun. And DPR on the round, 22. And one and foul counted. Foul jersey number 26. And timeout. Timeout ka up. Okay, let's back to the ball game. Kaap versus DPR. Score po natin 19-8 in favor of Kaap. Ano po, jersey number 31. And there's a foul. Foul jersey number 30. And substitution. Packing po sir. And warning for penalty na po ang DPR. No good for the bonus throw. DPR on the run. Number 10. Sobra teardrop. Nakuha jersey number 3. Pass to number 5, back to number 3. 30 with a pull-up J, no good. Eight seconds to shoot. Oh! Same ball. Baka meron pong kayang lumundag. Yun, counted. Oh, to number 3. De La Fuente, no good. Pero follow up, wala pa rin. Tumama sa kanto. Kaap on the round with a pass break. 19 with the pull up. 2 puntos. Ito na mabait ng mga tao sa akin. Lupang uminom, ang lupit mo. Number 10. 10 seconds to shoot. Tumira. No good. Rebound by Pascual on the run. Pascual, intercept ang steal on the ball, out of bounds. Same ball. You see, nandito yung ano. Asawa ng komisyoner. Hindi tayo makapalang dito. Okay, 2 points to Pascual Malo, to my friend. No, di my friend na. Okay yan po. So number 10. Hoy! And another turnover na naman po para sa DBR. Pass 31 to 19. Oh! Wala intercept by DBR. And turnover para sa Kaaf. Setting on the play by jersey number 3 with the pull-up. Jay! And 2 points. So minutes and 15 seconds to play na lang po mga kaibigan for the first quarter. Nagmagaling yung boss, focus. Hoy! Dada intercept for DBR. Substitution, ayan po, pasok po, sige, pasok. Ingente. Yeah. Wala. 2 points, jersey number 31. Power moves. No good for the 3 drop. Wala po na trabaho ito Guzman. Ayan na po, 31. And there's a foul. Foul jersey number 30. Penalty, ref, penalty. And 2 shots to the jersey number 31 for the first row. Sige po. Mag-shoot pa kayo natin. Okay, substitution. Foul jersey number 26. Pushing foul. For this third personal foul, 13 foul. Setting on the play, DBR. 15 seconds to shoot. To 12. Ruby. No good for the shot. To Guzman. Up. Substitute. To number 3. Number 3, but here we are setting on the play. To 14, what a nice pick. 2 points to the 2 drop. Wow. Parang may kinilig. Nakashoot ka. Number 8. Pass to Pascual. Magdapasa. Grabe naman yun. 35 seconds to play na lang po ang oras natin for the first quarter of the game. Score po natin 29-12 in favor of Kaaf. Tumira. No good. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Pascual. Two points. 10 seconds to play. Two points to jersey number 14. The line ball violation call. 4 seconds to play. Last ball para sa team DRP. Number 4. DPR sabi ko, namali lang, sorry, tao lang. Tao lang po. Okay, let's pass the ball game to the second quarter of the game. Okay, to 31, to number 8. Short. No good for the children by number 5. Number 5 to 12. Foul jersey number 8. First personal foul and first team foul. And bonus second jersey number 12. Ruby. Pasok. Jersey number 8 setting on the play. Number 8. Wala. Oh, wala tape in. Grabe naman tape in na 31 na yun. Wala pa yung loading. Oh, wala black by 77. To 31. 31. Foul jersey number 5. First personal foul, ay second personal foul, first team foul. Salamat. Sorry na. Pag na-shoot po ang pangalawa. Sige po. Usugli. Matapakan kayo dyan eh. Pasok. Substitution. Substitution. Ang score po natin ay 35-17. Ashley. Oo, palagay talaga. Oo, kami ni Madam. Kami ni Madam. Tubig. Yes. Yes. 31. Open up to number 8. 15 seconds to shoot. 77. Nabitawan ng bola. And turnover para sa DPR. Sumalaksak number 10 sa Mucho. 2 points. Grabe naman, no? My brother. My brother to another mother. Eh, pero ba rin, no? Namamalo. Oh, another turnover And another puntos para kay jersey number 22. Sige po. And timeout. Timeout po. Ang Kaap. Okay, wala na pong timeout po ang Kaap for sa first half. Number 8, wala ang super layup. 77, Luka Doncic number. To 15, 5 seconds to shoot. 2 minutes at 3. God bless. And out of bounds. Sige, sige na, ito na. Sorry. Okay, kuhan po na, masarap din ah. Oy! 31! Grabe naman talaga umere si 31. Jersey number 14, Gente. Setting on the play by 22. 22. Pass number 10. Oh, what a three! Pause! Baju by Miller Water. Si Madam lang ang meron. And there's a foul call. But jersey number 22. And substitution. Thank you po kay SK Ashley sa kanyang pagdagdag loob po sa patubig niya. Napakabait talaga ni SK Ashley. 2 minutes at 3 and no good. And same ball to the Kaap. Magandang gabi po. ABC Cap Leo Ramos, magandang gabi po. Happy watching po sa paligan ni SK Chairman Bjorn Valencia. I hope you enjoy watching. Okay, let's back to the ball game. Time remaining 6 minutes and 37 seconds to play. Ang score natin ay 39-26 in favor of Kaap. And the ball is to the DPR. And the ball running for the Kaap. Number 15, Bautista to 31. What a pass. Time out, time out. And the timeout goes to the DPR. Both team wala na pong timeout for the half time. Okay, let's back to the ball game. Bola po ng DPR. Sorry, marami kasi akong slashes. Buti nga wala pa nga ibang mga alam ko. Dami pa nga ang gawin. Magic kasi nyo. Okay. Ka-up to 15 to 77 for the dress. And no good. Hoy. Nasundutan. 15, Bautista to Pascual. Grabing koneksyon. Parang Hinebra lang. Passing the furious and the fearless. May connect ka. Hop, 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 hop. Oy! There's a foul ball. Foul jersey number 77. Constantino. First personal foul and second team foul for the Kaap. And to shot to Dison. Pasok in the first row into the second row. To the jersey number 9. Dison. No good. Good. 7. Pass to jersey number 7. Over 7. Same ball. We have a 15 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds to shoot for the Kaap. Pass to 77. Oh, hoy! Natawa si Sertun. Sabi, ano ba yan? Ano ba yan? Pass to the side. And another turnover for the DPR. Mga bossing, konting kusog lang po tayo mga boss. Salamat po. Yan, para kita lang po yung side. Paano? Yun. Ako, yung ilong ko doon. 34. Oh, relax. Oh, naman. 15. Pass to 34, Hernandez setting on the play. Pinasa sa gitna but intercept. Pass to jersey number 23. 2 points. Grabe. Parang easy lang. Score po natin 43-29 in favor of Kaap. Ting-uting hinahabol ang DPR ang score. 19, no good. Pascual, oy. And turnover and substitution. 15, out muna si jersey number 15 ng Kaap. Out of bounds. Talo blanks ka. Si Mayor naman magplano. 2 points to Hernandez. No good. Hop. Another try. The 77 points. Sige po, pag-deadpool po. 3 minutes and 25 seconds to play. 14 fast to the side, the 23 pull up J. But no good. Substitution rep. Junie Boy, power. Wala sa ano nga sa kondisyon si Junie Boy. Hindi, si Junie Boy ang gusto ko. Oh, may 200 ka sana. There's a foul. 19, foul jersey number 19 and substitution rep. First personal foul and warning for penalty. Ang kaap. Ito isa. Okay. Huli, wala pa squad. To 19, ito naka-up. 19. Bababa ng bola. 19. Pass to the Guzman, setting on the plane. Keeping set to shoot. What a pass to 77. 19. Tapik palabas. Oh, grabe naman si 19 na yun. Ang lalim ng hinukay niya na yun. Kinaliwa eh. Ano ba? There's a tres, no good. Number 8 on the run, number 8. To 7, Pascual. Oh, 2 points, grabe. Iba yung connection nilang tatlo, no? Ganda ng ikot. Hindi rin, nadidelay yun. Hoy, wala turnover again to number 8. 2 points. Napatakbo na mabilis si number 8. Ay. Magandang gabi po, mga ka-SK Chairman Bidjon. Yan. Magandang gabi po sa'yo. Hoy! No good for the 3 points. At yan na po, number 7 to Pascual. Number 10, Sabmudio. Tapik palabas to number 8, De Guzman. Pass to third ball, bulak. No good for the 3. Number 8, bumumpa. Hindi na yanig. Siya ang nayanig. Boss, nakita mo yung bossing ha. Hindi mo lang yung trust, boss ha. 1 minute exactly po ang oras natin mga kaibigan po ng second quarter ng game. 55-31 ang score. 2 minutes at 3. And 3! Ay, dos. Stepping on the line. Sorry. Teenagers, siyempre. Wala. For that chin drop and a pass back to 23. Sayo na yan. 2 puntos. To 19. And a turnover. 20 seconds to play. 2 points. Galing. Para lang a shot. 3 seconds to play. End of the second quarter game, 57-37 score po natin in favor of Cobb.